You want to go into the InShot app, and then you're going to tap video. Then you have a chance to choose videos or photos or a combination of the two. I'm going to choose a combination of the two, and you will need to choose your photos or videos in order that you want them to appear in your final video. So if you've uploaded everything to your photos folder in order, you'll just go straight down the line and click them all. If you want specific ones to come first, the first one you tap will be the first one that appears in your video in InShot when you're starting to edit. In this case though, everything is already set up in order of the way I want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all of my video clips and a couple of my photos. Just this one and that one. And now we have all our clips, and you're gonna click that check mark down in the bottom corner. If you wanna abandon your project, just tap that X over there in the left side. All right, so we have our video clips all loaded, and as you can see, my first video clip was the one I chose. And if I scroll all the way across, you can see all of the videos. They will be spread out like that based on how long they are. So if you want to just see the overview, hold a long press on any video clip and it'll show you all of the smaller clips at the bottom, and it will also list the time of each clip. So you can kind of see what you want to do. This is also a way you can drag and swap different clips. So if you want that down there, for example, you can do that. If you want to delete a clip, you can still do that from here. Anything that you can do up here, you can still do when you have it in this little thumbnail view. Okay, so now that you have your video clips all lined up how you want them, we're gonna get right into video editing.